All right, guys, you're looking at a custom grill set that we just had done for a customer. This one here is 925 sterling silver with gold plating on it. Beautiful grills, guys. Check that out. 8 top, 8 bottom, and it's handmade for a perfect fit. Check that out. This is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You can choose top or bottom or a set. You can choose how many teeth you want right on the website right there. This is made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth. So it's a perfect fit, guys. Check that out. Very nice. Nice shine to them. You can't go wrong with Bling Cartel, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.